Good morning everyone. So let's continue the chapter number 6, that is an introduction to Scratch programming. So in this part we will create a program by using Scratch software. So first of all we have to open a Scratch program window. So click on start button. Here also the icon on the desktop if you want to open directly from the desktop. So you have to double click on a particular icon. But steps mentioned in your book, so we have to click on start button. After that click on all programs and you have to search here Scratch. So here the Scratch, click on it. We get the three options. In the three options we have to click on second one option, Scratch. Now this is the Scratch program window. So how we can create a program is that to make the cat draw a circle. I again repeat, program to make the cat draw a circle. So first of all you have to click the cat in the sprite list. So this is a cat, this is a sprite list. So here you have to click on it. After that click on sprite tab. Here this is the after that you have to click on script tab. This is the script tab, click on it. Then click on motion button. So 8 categories, color coded 8 categories, blocks. So you have to click on first one, that is motion. For making a program you have to drag the blocks into the script area. These all are block palette. According to this block you get this block palette. Whatever you want option from this block palette, you have to drag particular option into the script area, and this is the script area. Now click the turn clockwise 50-degree block. This is the clockwise second one option. Press the left button of your mouse and drag this block. Press the left button of your mouse and drag this block in script area. Second, this first block will turn the cat downside. Second, click the move 10 step block. So first option, that is a move 10 step block. Click on it and drag this one also in this way and place it in script area. Now you can see in script area the blocks will snap together. These joint blocks are called script or program. So the second block will move the cat in the direction of its face. Now click on the number 10 to highlight and change it to the 20. Click on it, it's highlighted. Then press the backspace key and write down there 20. The number determines how far across the screen you want the cat to move. Now next step is step number 8. Click the pen down category to show the pen block. So this is the pen block category. Click on it. Now these all are the options we get in pen button category. Now click on pen down block. This is the pen down block. Click on it. After that press the left button of your mouse and drag this block in script area and place it. Now after that you have to click on second last option, that is the set pen size to 1. Click on it and again drag it. Press the left button of your mouse and drag your mouse and place it here. After that this fourth block will change the thickness of the line. That is, we have to draw the circle now. So in that case we need a thickness. So this fourth block will change the thickness of the line. Then click on the number 1. Again click on the number 1. In first step it's highlighted. Then press the backspace key and you have to write down there number 20. That is the thickness of your line. Last step, that is click any of the joined up. Now this time we have to run the program. Now running the program. So click any of the joined up block in the script area. So I just click on it. So you can see the movement of cat. Click, 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 click. Now cat start. to make a circle. You can see the movement. Now finish. So Scratch carry out all the join up instruction in order. That is these all instructions join up in order. And starting from the top and working its way down the block. Starting from the top and working its way down the block. In this program, the cat first rotate 50° clockwise, move 20 steps in the direction of its face and leave a line behind it. Leave a line behind it. So this is a simple program to make a cat draw a circle by using Scratch program. Now next is how you can save a project. For that, you have to click on this tab, that is a file. Now click on save. This is a save project window appear here. After that you will select a location. So I just select here desktop, click on it, and in which you will select any folder according to your requirement. So I just select this new folder, and here I will write down the file name. So I write down here RRR and click on OK. Now your project saved. So next step is how you can open a project. So we saved our project in new folder. So this is a new folder, click on it. Now this is our object RRR. So double click on it. Now you can see your project. This is a simple method you will open a project. So students, in this chapter you learn about computer language, introduction to Scratch, starting Scratch, understanding Scratch window, then Scratch blocks, then creating a program, saving a project and opening a project. So please read this chapter again and try to understand and learn difficult terms also. And book exercise and question answer of this chapter I will send in WhatsApp group. Thank you.